Christian prayer is defined as communication with God, encompassing both speaking and listening. Prayer serves to express love and gratitude towards God. Seeking guidance from God is a key purpose of prayer. Prayer provides a means for confessing sins and seeking forgiveness. Interceding for others is another significant aspect of prayer.
Okay, so this is the platform we're going to be using to create our Christian faceless video for YouTube. So you can see the link to this website is going to be down in the description box below. So just click on that link to bring you to this website. Once you come to this website, just sign in like you're signing in on your social media, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, whichever one you're using. That's the same way you sign. You can see other videos that other people has created. This one is in the romance niche. This one is in the cartoon. Basically all of them are like cartoon kind of form of, but it's not like you can't create a realistic video also right here. You can definitely create a realistic video right here, which is what I'm going to be using, what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be choosing a realistic video. So once you sign in, you have 300 credits right here to use and create your video right now. So it means you can create numbers of videos for free right now. So just scroll right here, and where you're seeing this story to video, just click right here to start creating your video right now. So we're gonna wait for this one to load up right now. Okay, so here we are right now. So it's giving us all this dimension. This is what we're about getting 0 views. Start a script. We got it. So that's just, they're just telling you, giving you updates. So here we have, you want to create a video, a landscape video for YouTube, you click here. You want to create a portrait video for TikTok and YouTube Short, you click here. Here you're going to choose your video language, because you can create video in so many languages: Indonesia, French, Spanish, but we're going to go with English right now. Then you're going to choose the style of your video, pixel, 3D cartoon, 3D cute, meow, kid story, anima, all kinds of type of videos are here. But you can see this is realistic. Realistic is right here. It means your video is going to look like a movie. So that's what we're going to pick right here. So we'll pick that one, and we'll come to this side where it's saying basic script. Like if you have a script, like maybe you can see this is a script that this thing has generated for us right now. So you can just copy your script, generate a script with ChatGPT, copy your script and paste your script right here, and you're going to click next, and it's going to turn this script into a video for you. But I don't have a script of my own right now, so I just have a title of the video I want to create. So your video can be about anything. It can be how to train your dog. Your video can just be anything. So this is the title that I have right here: how do Christian pray. That's what I have right here. So on your video, you can create a video up to 20 to 30 minutes, or you can even custom your video to 1 hour or 2 hours right here. But I just want a very short video for this tutorial, so I'm just going to click auto. So this auto is going to let this AI to choose a time that I need to use to generate this video for us. So this is going to be a short video right here, because we already choose short right here. So here is a sample of other videos that other people has created. This is kids story, this is anima, this is Bible story. All kinds of stories are here. You can see the numbers of things they've done. This is Jesus Loves Me, animated 3D gospel song for kids. This video has done 52 million views. It's actually even trendy. So you can find title or topic right here. This video are really doing, and these people use this website to create all these videos that are doing millions of views. But that's just by the way. So here we are right now. Put your title right here and just come right here where this yellow next button, and just click on next right here. Okay, so this AI generated our script for us. You can see Christian prayers, form and significance. So you're gonna see how many scenes did they give us. Three scene right here. So this is our scene. If there's anything you're not cool with or you don't like, just highlight it like this and just rewrite with either ChatGPT or delete it, or you can copy another one right here. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave this one to go. Just click on this next button again right here at the downside, and just so here we are right now. So it's saying auto dictate a 0 character. Basically, it didn't dictate a character for our video. If it was like a kid story, or that it requires a name like a Cinderella, all those kind of name, like maybe Jesus, Moses, kind of, it's going to dictate a character in the script, but no character. So we don't need to generate a character. You just come right here to click on next. So once you click on next right there, it's going to start generating our video right now. Okay, yeah, so this thing has generated our storyboard right here. So this on the left hand side, you can see this is the level of our voice over speed. You can increase it or you can reduce it. This is the auto-generated voiceover person that is chosen for us. Is Williams. You can decide to change it to Jack, another man. This is the female voice, Richard, Tom, all of them. There are plenty right there. We're going to leave it at this Williams. It auto generates 16 storyboard for us. It means this is the number 1, 2. You can say this is number 2, this is number 3, number 4, 5, all the way to 16 right there. So that's what it generated for us. So the first one, if you don't like this first one, maybe you want the first image to be like a person image, so you can come right here. This is the prompt for the image. Just come right here to change this image to like a person. Or you can click here for a prompt tip. You can click here to change a prompt tip right here. So maybe I should change this image to a person image. Okay guys, so you can see I just changed the first image that was here before. You can see this is the first image that was here before. I'm switching it right now. This is the first image. So all I just do is to just change some. I just change this text that you're seeing here right here. I just change small text so you generate this one for me right now. So I'm going to be good with this one that you're seeing here right now. So we're going to discard this. So that's just it for this right now. So just come right here to click on next. So after you change this thing, just click on regenerate. That's what regenerate this image for me right there. So you can also animate this image also for me. So I can click on animate right now. So if I click on this animate, it's going to animate this image for me. So you can see it's asking me to choose magic light, Alio, cedars. So let's just choose magic light right now. Let's confirm it. So you can animate this child image for us right now. Okay guys, so our first image has been animated. So you can see it, you can play it right here to see what it looks like. But let's don't waste time. Let's just go to next and click on next right now, just to move on next. So here is saying we should animate all our image, but we're not going to animate everything. The first one that we animated is enough, so just click on next right now to let it continue to generate our video. Okay, so here's our video right now. So you can see this is the picture of the child right here. So here is trying to add a thumbnail text to our video right here. So if you want to, you scroll down right here, you can see you can still pick the style that you want. You can pick this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. But what I found with this AI is it's going to cover. If you have a child like this that is praying, it's going to cover. So it's better you generate this video and go use either Canva or CapCut to add this to it. So I'm just going to click on here to remove the text right there. So we're just going to come right here to click on generate, or you click on subtitle. So our subtitle can be usually below, so we can pick the subtitle right here. Background music, can add background music to this. You can just say can just add this background music. That's to play the music. Just add this music right here to add the music. Apply. So the music is applied already. So you can also load the volume of the music right now. So you can load the volume of the music. Let's come back to cover right here. No, let's come right here, generate. So we're gonna pick this 9:6. You can choose this, you can choose this. I prefer this. Okay, so guys, our video is done right now. You can click here to preview your video or submit the video so that other people can see it. But basically, this is our video. You can just click here to download the video right here. It's gonna start downloading the video right now. And that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I'm out.